welcome to Dee LaVigne. If you're new, welcome. I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you hit that bell. That way YouTube will notify you every single time I put out a new video. Today, y'all, I am back with the smallest Hermes unboxing I will ever do in my life. I think. You know, you never know. I feel like things are going like really big right now. So for real though, y'all, this is literally the smallest thing I've ever bought from Hermes, and it's actually the first time that I actually went in there and left with just one thing, and it happens to be this tiny little box right here. Oh, so this is the receipt, and look, y'all. So the thing that's in here is something that I've actually been wanting for a while. But I don't like to order stuff online. I like to always just buy things from my SA. Even if I have to wait, it's fine. But I like to always just buy things from her to, of course, give her the commission and things like that. So funny thing is though, this actually wasn't even purchased by my main SA. This was purchased on vacation. Jerry and I and the kids went on vacation recently, and I stopped at the Hermes store down there and purchased it from another SA who I also really like, but I do stay loyal to my main SA. But anyways, enough rambling. If y'all want a video actually on tips on how to score an Hermes bag in the store, like a Birkin Kelly, mini Kelly, whatever, let me know down below in the comments and I can do that video for you guys. But let's start with the unboxing right now. You guys, I'm so excited about this. Like every time I would go in the store, like call my SA, she wouldn't have any of these in stock, and so I'm glad that this store had it. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, this little box is so cute. So it comes with a little, what is this? Like a little care booklet. Okay, it gives you like directions on, oh, how to put it on. That is cute. Okay. So it's in here. Open it up. Ta-da! You guys, I'm gonna have to do a close-up, but it is the Hermes Olympe ear cuff. It's an ear cuff, and I have been wanting this one for quite a while actually. It's in the color ombre. With gold hardware, and it is just the cutest little thing. I actually wanted this before the price increase. So before it was $285 USD before tax. I purchased it shortly after the price increase, so it was $305 before tax. I can share with you guys the receipt. The total for this little thing was $326.35. We'll see if it's worth it. I'm gonna give it some wears, but when I tried it on in the boutique, you guys, it seemed pretty snug and comfortable on the ear. Like, it's not heavy, it's not super light, but it's just, I don't know, it's substantial enough, and I just thought it was like just a cute little addition to my ear game, you know, if I wanted to step it up a little bit without getting a third piercing, because y'all, it took me forever just to get a second piercing. Like, I literally got my second ear pierced when I was, I think, what was it, for my 30th birthday or my 31st? One of them. Yeah, I know, wild. But yeah, y'all, I'm so excited. I'm so happy about this ear cuff. I actually first saw this ear cuff on Cassie on YouTube. Cassie Thorpe, she did an unboxing on Instagram, and I was like, oh my god, so cute. And I like wanted one ever since. I just never like pulled the trigger. I always either forgot or got something else, or like they just didn't have it in stock when I asked. So I was like, you know what, now's the time to get it. It was in store, I was able to try it on, and yeah, it was just perfect because it was actually, this is the color I wanted it in ombre, and it's just so beautiful, and I can't wait to wear it. Let me know down below, you guys. Do any of you guys have the ear cuff? Comment down below, let me know how you like it, if it's a go or if it wasn't worth it to you. I'm really curious to see how I'm gonna enjoy, or if I'm gonna really like this. I really think I am, because I've been wanting it for a while, so I'm happy I was able to unbox this now so that I can start wearing it. But yeah, anyways, I'm rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry, I know it was just like this little tiny thing, but I don't know. I just felt like it deserved its own video because I've never purchased anything this small in my life. Well, at least from Hermes. So, I don't know. I just think it's so cute. Follow me on Instagram at Queen Dee Fitness. Maybe you'll see it. I'll probably do like a little close-up unboxing on there and like maybe a try on. I don't know. We'll see. I'll see y'all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.